Thryallis is widely cultivated in warm regions throughout the world. It is native to eastern Mexico and is often under the common name of gold shower or shower of gold. Thryallis foliage is cherry green and remains evergreen in areas without a winter freeze. The stems of new growth are red and contrast beautifully during the beginning of the spring growing season. At the end of new shoots, eye-catching yellow flowers clusters and waves in the breeze. In areas without yearly freezes, Thryallis reaches a mature size of 4 to 6 feet wide and 5 to 9 feet high. Some gardeners allow it to maintain its mounding shape. It can also be trained into a small multi-trunk tree or pruned into a loose hedge. Thryallis looks particularly charming in a mixed perennial display, combined with other flowering shrubs. Thryallis looks best planted in full sun. It will tolerate some shade but may flower less and become leggy. Do not plant Thryallis in high traffic areas. Its branches can be brittle and break easily. Well-drained soil of any texture will support Thryallis, but it does not tolerate salt, water, or spray. Good companion plant suggestions for Thryallis is dwarf firebush, croton, crinium lily, oleander, sea grape, and jatropha. It is used in traditional medicine in Mexico as an antihistamine, an anticonvulsant, an anti-allergic medication, a sedative, and much more. Current scientific studies are devoted to exploring its use as an anti-inflammatory drug, an anti-diarrhea medication, and treatment for a number of other ailments, including malaria,